Going on, dudes and dudettes? It is Pip Surfer again with a daily update for the Cowabunga system. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, 2008. I hope you all had a great day today. We're just going to jump right into it. No wasting time. First thing I want to do is check out a comment from yesterday's post. It's from Phenom here, and it says, "Hey Pip Surfer, just wondering, in your videos, purple trend change Pip appears. Is that a unique feature of charting software? Is it some kind of indicator, say like SAR, but represented in a different manner?" The answer to your question, Phenom, is that it is part of the software. It's called Xpaint, which is part of the Xtick software, and basically you can set things where it will paint your candle a certain color if it meets a certain criteria. So for me, I set that when my fast moving averages crosses below my slow moving average, then it paints my candle purple, and vice versa, it'll paint my candle black. And that's why you see purple candles and black candles, and this just helps me see it easier. I do have a big screen, but the easier the better, so I don't like to strain, but that's pretty much it. Other softwares you can just eyeball it, but good question. So let's go ahead and jump right into the 4-hour chart. And remember, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them on the blog, and I'll try to answer them during my videos. It's just easier that way. We'll see that the latest trend change candle was still way back on August 22nd. If you look at today's action, no new trend change candles. So that means the trend was once again down for our entire session, and we only look for short trades. Again, so it's another easy day, and the fact that we are only looking for one type of trade, and that is short trades. Here I'm going to my 15-minute chart. I'm just going to move it back to right before midnight, which is when I trade. But first thing we're going to do is check out our news for the day. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Baby Pips site, and you can go to the Baby Pips site and just click on Tools, and this will pull up the calendar for the day. And the only real news event I wanted to watch out for was at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and that was the Sterling Services PMI. That affects the UK, and since we are trading the sterling dollar, we want to watch out for that. But other than that, we also had factory orders, which that came in at 10. It's not as important, but still kept an eye on it. I would watch out for that time area there. And Beige Book at 2. So and that was pretty much the news for the day, and now we are ready to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and move forward with my chart. Remember, each candle is 15 minutes of the day, and we're just going to go forward one candle at a time and see if we find anything. And you can see that right at midnight we had a big move down there, but unfortunately the cross was before midnight, so we wouldn't have taken that. So we just continue to move on. Remember, we're only looking for short trades here. Okay, and because of that big move, the price trended down early, and we did not get any crossovers to the short side. Here we have the price moving back up, so now is a prime time to start looking for short trades because price has moved back up. So we're looking for crossovers to the short side now. Still nothing. And here we finally have a crossover. It didn't happen until 11 a.m. Eastern Time, so a long time to wait there, but hopefully you were patient. And so now we have a crossover. Now we just look at the indicators, see if they match up. And RSI is below 50. Stochastics are trending down. And MACD is positive and losing value. You can't really see it here, but it is just above 0. It looks like there's nothing there, but it's just above 0. So that is a valid entry. 11 a.m. No news around then. And it's still before noon, so we're okay. We're okay here. It's a little more risky because we're heading towards the end of the day, but nevertheless, we're taking the trade. So we're entering at the close of this candle at 77.47. Our stop is at the most recent swing high, which is right here at 78.19, and the nearest 0 or 50 level is right here at 7,700. And that gives us about 47 potential profit in pips, so pretty good target. So now we can just move forward and just kind of watch the market go by. You can see that price initially did not go our way, and here price is moving on. It's 130 here, 145. Now I know the Beige Book's coming out at 2, and although it's not a extremely major event, It's low volume by this time. It's late in the day, and if there is a big spike, I don't want to be caught in the middle of it. So this is a perfect time to exit. So we have a little bit of profit here. It closes at 77.26, which is where I got out. So not a bad trade there. We got one late and we were able to squeeze a few pips out of it. So not bad. And now we are out of the trade. And I'm just going to move forward. You see the beige book didn't actually do anything, but like I said, sometimes it can, sometimes it won't. But we took some pips there, and that was pretty much it for the day. So today was pretty much simple. I mean, it would have been boring for most of the day. Hopefully you found good things to do with your time, but we did get a signal and it paid off. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave it on the blogs or go to the forums. There are plenty of traders there that are willing to help you out. So you don't have to go it alone. If you got questions, we got answers. So that's pretty much it. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all tomorrow. Cowabunga, dudes.